went to Nigeria, we adapted to their culture. When Mr. Adrian Del Rosario and Coach John went to Nigeria, they adapted to their culture. They said, if you want to get Nigeria, you need to dance. We dance. We need to eat what they eat. We eat what they eat. We adapted to their culture. We adapted to the change that we want so that we can be champions in that particular area. We need to adapt to the environment. We need to adapt to the struggle. Mahirap maging silver executive, maging gold executive, maging leader. Am I right? You need to wake up early. You need to call your downlines. You need to follow up your leaders. You need to do all these activities. You need to meet them meeting after meeting after meeting after meeting. Nangyayari o hindi? Meron bang mga ilang umaga kakamiting dyan? We need to adapt. Sleep late, wake up early. Retail more, recruit more, meet more people. We need to adapt. Because if we want to change to be champions, we need to adapt to these changes. When you go to the gym, to exercise, you want to have a big bicep, you need to adapt to that change every day. 20 sets, pick that dumbbell, 20 kilos, 40 kilos, every day you need to do that. We need to adapt to those things so that one day we can commit to that change and be champions. Am I right? Yeah. Lastly, N stands for nurture. Everybody say nurture. Nurture. Once you already have that routine, nurture it. Once you already have the people, nurture it. You respect the relationship with them. You respect and nurture that organization. You let them grow. You let them stand up. You let them succeed. Because when you nurture them, you're creating leaders. When you nurture them, they themselves can become champions. Do you want your downlines to become champions? If you want that, you need to remember the two most powerful motivational words in this world. I can. Everybody say, I can. Louder, I can. With conviction, I can.